On May 17, 1954, the United States Supreme Court issued its landmark ruling in Brown v. Board of Education, declaring racial segregation in public schools unconstitutional. In a unanimous decision written by Chief Justice Earl Warren, the court ruled that separate educational facilities are inherently unequal. Overturning decades of legalized school segregation in America, the decision became one of the most important legal victories of the American Civil Rights Movement and fundamentally reshaped American law, education, and society. Although segregation and discrimination did not disappear, overnight, Brown v. Board marked a turning point in the fight against legalized racial inequality in the United States. The ruling challenged the foundation established by the 1896 Supreme Court case, Plessy v. Ferguson, which had upheld racial segregation under the doctrine of separate but equal. In reality, segregated black schools across much of the U.S., especially in the South, often received far less funding, fewer resources, older textbooks, overcrowded classrooms, and inferior facilities compared to white schools. The case itself originated in Topeka, Kansas, where a young black girl named Linda Brown was forced to attend a segregated school farther from her home. Despite a closer white school nearby, her father, Oliver Brown, joined a lawsuit organized by the NAACP, which had spent years strategically challenging segregation through the court system. The legal effort was led in part by attorney Thurgood Marshall, who would later become the first black Supreme Court justice in American history. The court unanimously concluded that segregation in public education violated the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. The court argued that even if physical facilities appeared similar, segregation itself created feelings of inferiority and unequal treatment that harmed black children. Psychologically, socially, and educationally, the ruling directly rejected the idea that separate schools could ever truly be equal. The decision immediately became one of the most consequential constitutional rulings in American history.